Hi, my name is Joe Caltabiano, and I'm our Senior Product Manager here at VOXX Electronics for mobile rear seat entertainment. Mobile video rear seat entertainment is a very, very simple concept. We're entertaining rear seat passengers on long trips. For the last decade and a half, we've been a market leader in this industry. We've delivered overhead systems, headrest systems, and different product configurations. DVD has been the means of accessing entertainment for quite a long time, but what has changed? Technology has dramatically changed. The way we access content has dramatically changed. With the introduction of different applications for streaming, media, social networking, music, short burst videos, we've adopted this technology into our new systems. So you can connect devices such as smart TV sticks, Android built into our headrest systems to have the ability to download apps right on the actual headrest and access all that entertainment, or even connect your smartphone. So this way you could stream over content from your smartphone right to our systems. We have opened up and made unlimited entertainment access available in the back seat. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through our different product categories so you have a better understanding of all the different options that are available to you. Today we're going to go through three distinct brands of product. To start off with, our Advent brand. Our Advent brand is our car dealer line. It's a very protected line that you can only find at the new car dealer level. This brand uses the highest quality components in manufacturing, very similar to what you would buy from the factory if your vehicle came equipped with factory mobile video. This line is a protected line that is backed by a traveler's warranty, so no matter where you are in the country, you can go to a network of dealers in order to have your product serviced, and we match the factory consumer warranty. So whatever your electronics warranty is with your vehicle, our mobile video system will match that warranty. VOXX is our retail brand. Very similar to our Advent brand. We'll match the factory electronics warranty. It's built with the highest quality components, but this is offered in the regional electronics store and the independent retail specialist channels of distribution. We've also developed a Movies to Go line. This is also a line of headrest and overhead rear seat entertainment products, very similar to our VOXX line, fully feature laden with all the bells and whistles, but designed and developed for more budget conscious consumer. We're going to start off with our VOXX and Advent line of overhead products, but before we get into that, I just want to globally talk about connectivity. In my opening, we mentioned different types of connectivity, especially connectivity through HDMI, and all the available content that's available by connecting with HDMI. What that means is I could take a device such as a smartphone. With the appropriate adapter, if I connect this to the smartphone, connect this HDMI to one of our systems, whether it be our overhead systems or our headrest systems, I now have the capability to mirror any of what I see on the screen onto our mobile video systems. So your favorite apps such as Netflix, Hulu, Vudu, if you have a Slingbox at home, anything really that you can see here, you'll be able to put on our screen. It's pretty cool. In addition, there's a variety of different smart sticks out there. Everybody knows what a smart TV is. When you go to buy a television for your home right now, it's usually able to connect to the web so you could access applications and download all kinds of media content. We could do the same thing with our systems in the vehicle. By connecting a Roku stick or a Chromecast or even an Amazon Fire TV stick, now you could turn any of our overheads that have an HDMI input into a smart TV. Very, very cool. Unlimited content in the back seat. In addition, we have some universal features in our overheads that cover all the different models. Our Advent and VOXX line of overheads come with certain universal standard features, such as digital LED backlit monitors. This gives you the best picture quality possible. Our systems also include 100 channel FM transmitters, so you can take audio from our unit and send it directly to your factory FM stereo. This comes in handy when you have small children that are too small to wear headphones, so this way you could broadcast the audio through the vehicle speakers. If for any reason you live in an area that's densely populated with FM stations, we offer an accessory called an FM DIRB, which allows you to hardwire the FM transmitter and make it a hardwired FM modulated solution. Our systems come with one remote control and two single-channel IR headphones. In addition, our units come with AV outputs. This allows you to either A, take the audio from our system, and if you have an aux in on your factory radio, output that directly to your vehicle audio system, or you could use that audio video output to daisy chain into other mobile video systems in the vehicle, such as another overhead or a headrest system. Our systems come with 3 snap-on bezels and trim rings in black, gray, and beige. What this allows you to do is have one solution that could be used in a complement of different vehicles to satisfy different vehicle interiors. We're going to start off with our ADV EXL 12A. This is our 12-inch premier overhead that gives you 2 HDMI inputs. 2 for a reason. 1, user accessible on the side, so you can easily plug in a smart stick and turn this device into a smart TV as long as you have Wi-Fi connectivity. The hidden input on the top allows for a clean installation where you can route an HDMI wire anywhere in the vehicle to connect your smart device, such as your phone. The system also comes with a graphical user interface, very easy to navigate all the source inputs. In addition, this system has a USB on the side that gives you charging capabilities in addition to being able to read files. So you can load up a USB stick with all your favorite movies and play it back on a device. A step down to this model is our ADV EXL 10A. All the same feature set as our 12A version with a 10.1 inch screen. Both of these models have the ability to plug in an optional game pack. This optional game pack is called model MVGP1. What this will allow you to do is, it's a plug-and-play module connected to either our ADV EXL 12A or ADV EXL 10A and give you the ability to have 54 32-bit games, many of them dual player. A step down to this model is model ADV DLX 10A. This system has many of the capabilities of our EXL series except for HDMI. It'll have a USB reader on the side so you could load up a USB stick and play back your files, as a slot load DVD with auto on and auto playback. And it also has a high resolution panel. We also offer this in a 9-inch model, model ADV DLX 9A. All of our headrests are designed, developed, and manufactured here in the US. This allows us to keep control. Not only does it allow us to control our manufacturing and offer you the best solutions possible, but we also build our systems to be compliant with FMVSS, which stands for Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Specs. Before we release any of our custom headrests to the market, we go through the painstaking effort to test each vehicle to meet these safety specs. Because when you're taking a factory headrest out of a car and replacing it with one of our systems, we want to ensure that we're maintaining the same high quality standards of safety as the vehicle manufacturer. When we design our headrests, we take cosmetics very seriously, which means not only do we match the type of material used, meaning cloth, leather, or vinyl, but we also go down to the level of the stitching, the piping, the width of the stitching, the color of the stitching, whether the material is perforated, the grain type that's in the unit. We mimic all those accents so that when you take out the factory headrest and you replace it with one of our systems, it looks like it belongs. Every vehicle application is different. Sometimes we can remove the factory headrest and replace it with one of our solutions. In some instances, you can't touch the factory headrest. It's wired into the seat back, so in the event of an accident, something is triggered and that headrest moves. In an instance like that, we develop active seat back solutions that don't add any weight or complications to the factory seat, but they sit behind the actual headrest itself. Now we're going to get into our different headrest configurations. Starting off with our 7-inch series, this series has multiple different system configurations, but all of them have standard features such as digital LED backlit monitors for vibrant picture quality. We have adjustable tilt screens, so depending on the size of the occupant in the back seat, they'll never lose the picture image no matter how tall or small they are. Some of these models have HDMI MHL inputs that allow you, like I previously mentioned, to add smart stick devices to turn these into smart TVs or to mirror your content from your smartphone. These come equipped with USB readers in addition to USB charging support. All these systems have audio-video inputs in addition to 100-channel FM transmitters, 2-channel dual-channel IR headphones, and 2 IR remote controls. We can also add our optional MVGP1 game pack to these systems if desired. And most importantly, all of our systems are designed to meet or exceed FMVSS specifications. Moving up out of the 7-inch into our 8-inch series, 1-inch makes a huge difference when you're watching video. These DVD players have the capability to have HDMI MHL as a standard option in addition to USB readback capabilities. But for the ultimate experience, we are the only ones in the industry that offer an embedded 8-inch Android solution, meaning you have a tablet built into our headrest right in the back seat. As long as you connect to Wi-Fi, which comes in many new vehicles or is accessible through turning on a hotspot in your phone, now you have unlimited content access and access to any app you could desire. These are Google Play certified, which means we have embedded into the system the Google Play Marketplace. The Google Play Marketplace is where you can access and download popular apps such as Facebook, Netflix, Hulu, Vudu, whatever you want, YouTube, right in the back seat, on demand. In the event you don't have Wi-Fi access, our units have 8 gigabytes of internal memory, in addition to an SD micro port where you can add up to a 32 megabyte card to expand the internal memory up to 40 gigabytes. This allows you to upload a lot of different movie content in order to watch on the road on your next trip. Another cool feature in these units is a built-in camera. You could Skype, video chat in the back seat on your next trip. How cool is that? These systems have a dual-core processor, so they're very fast, in addition to capacitive touchscreen monitors. Now we're going to talk about our movies to go overhead and headrest monitors. We're going to start off with our AVX MTG13 UHD. This is a 13.3 inch panel with digital LED backlit monitor screen, side load DVD mechanism, one HDMI MHL input, a USB and SD input on the side so you can load up content onto a USB stick or an SD card and play back that content on our system. In addition to dual channel IR headphone transmitter output and a built-in 16 channel FM transmitter with the ability to hardwire and make it a fully blown FM modulator with our optional FM DIRB. Stepping down from the 13 inch, we have an AVX MTG 10 UHD. All the same feature set as our 13 inch, but with a 10.1 inch panel. These two units come equipped in 3 different colors right out of the box: black, tan, and beige. Snap-on bezels and trim rings. Stepping down from model AVX MTG 10 UHD, we have model AVX MTG 9BA. This unit is a 9-inch monitor with very similar system features as our AVX MTG 13 and 10 UHD, with the exception of it does not come in 3 different colors. It only comes in black. This unit also does not feature HDMI inputs. Starting off with our 7-inch monitor with DVD, model AVX MTG HR1DA, this is a 7-inch LED backlit panel with a DVD player in addition to supporting USB and SD inputs. This allows you to load up content on a USB stick or an SD card and play that content back on the panel. We also offer this as an AVX MTG HR1MA. This is a non-DVD headrest. Same 7-inch solution with ability to input audio video through AV inputs. As a step up to both of those models, we offer an expanded AVX MTG HR9HD model. This model is a 9-inch digital LED backlit panel with a DVD player with USB, SD, and HDMI MHL inputs, so you could connect your smart stick device, your smartphone device, and mirror content directly on the screen for unlimited content capabilities. In addition to our overhead and headrest systems, we have a few supporting accessories, starting off with IR headphones. These come in 2 different versions. Our premium version, model IR1, is a single channel full flat headphone with upgraded leather earpieces and auto shut-off capabilities. We also offer this in a dual channel, model IR2. Since our movies to go headrests and overheads don't come equipped with headphones, we offer these as optional accessories. Model MTG HP1CA is a single channel full flat headphone with auto shut-off and a foam earpiece. Model MTG HP2CA is a dual channel headphone with all the same features. In addition to that, we offer a few different accessories, such as an IST2. This is a noise isolation transformer. In the event you hook up one of our systems and you have engine noise or any ambient noise, usually using this device will eliminate that noise. Model HDIP1 is an HDMI pigtail harness that works with model VOD EXL10A, VOD EXL12A, AVX MTG 13 UHD, and AVX MTG 10 UHD. This allows for a hardwired hidden input to our overhead video systems. As mentioned a few times throughout this training, we mentioned that all of our systems come with FM transmitters, but we have the ability to hardwire the FM transmitter in the event you live in a densely populated area with a lot of FM stations. The FM DIRB will allow you to plug into the RF output on our devices and go into the antenna path, so this way you have the best performance in audio to your radio. To close out our accessories, we have our game pack, model MVGP1. The MVGP1 are 2 wireless game controllers and a plug-and-play game pack module with 54 32-bit games that'll work with models ADV EXL 12A and model ADV EXL 10A, in addition to all of our Advent and AudioVox 7 and 8-inch custom headrests. For more information on our mobile video products, please visit us at VOXXelectronics.com. Hopefully this was a very informative training session. Thank you.